Hi guys, welcome to Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing question number 1 to 6. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you want this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number is 900 936 8238, and you can contact us by message or call, whichever you are convenient into. And here, question number 1 and 2 and 3 all are about 40 to 60 words. Question number 4 and question number 5, which are about 100 to 150 words, and question number 6, you need to write in the 500 words. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number and we will provide all the answer on your WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.